Welcome to the best remote work from home job just for you. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell because we have 5 to 7 job leads every single day here just for you. Hello and welcome to another remote work from home job just for you. And today we have this part-time video content editor. It's 100% remote. It pays $22 an hour. It starts in June and ends in September of 2022. You'll be classified as a independent contractor with 1099, and it's only 5 hours a week. So this is a content creator making life and food simple, fun, and at times a little quirky. They're looking and seeking a video content editor to join their team. You will be taking rough footage and putting it into a 59-second video for Instagram and TikTok, as well as a longer form for YouTube. What you'll need: strong understanding of video editing software, prior experience working as a freelance video editor or casual video editing experience. You have experience producing content for YouTube, Vimeo, or other online platforms and websites. The ability to handle multiple projects per week and dozens of projects per month. Take quality notes, document work, and translate client directives into a finalized product. Enthusiastic about diversity and inclusion, as well as creating simple, healthy, great tasting dishes for you to try. Should be able to send files back and forth as well as help with the thumbnails. So if this sounds like you, it's only 5 hours a week, pays $22 an hour, and it's a part-time video content editor. I'll put the link right in the description so you can apply right away. And don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell, because here we're gonna have 5 to 7 job leads every single day so you can find the perfect remote work from home job just for you. Whether you're fed up with the office work lifestyle and you just wanna work from home, or you're just looking for more freedom for you and your loved ones and family, work from home opportunities for you right here on this YouTube channel. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you get notified every single time we have a brand new work from home opportunity just for you.